everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about Floss rule. Floss rule is nothing. Whenever we see the letters together, double L, double S, and double Z. Why these letters comes together? Let us understand the rule behind that. When F, L, S sound is heard after a short vowel at the end of a one-syllable word, it is spelled with the double letters. Double F, double L, and double S or double Z is used. So first let us say the sounds of these letters. The sound of F is F. Sound of L is L. The sound of S is S. The sound of Z is Z. Okay, now let us check the words. Puff, fluff, stuff. Here there is only one vowel. If there is only one vowel, then it is called short vowel. And we are hearing the F sound. So we have to use two Fs. Same here. Hill, doll, cell, drill. These letters are followed by one vowel and it is a short vowel sound. In the ending, we are having L sound. Here we are using double L while writing the spelling. The same rule is applicable for the words ending with double S and double Z. Thank you.